All right, I wanted to show you guys these really cool lights that I found available. I'll leave a link in the description, but these lights are so cool because they're so thin, and it's the perfect solution for this low ceiling we have. This is our storage room. We're in the process of getting all the framing done, the electrical, so we can put up sheetrock. But I have all these lights. Right now it kind of looks weird, but once they're up in place, this is how it's going to be. They're about 2 feet apart in this little space. We were thinking for a long time there, we were thinking, how are we going to get lights in this really shallow area? And then I came across these lights. So they're really cool because they have these boxes. Let me show you. So the framing is such a tight place. So there are these boxes where the junction happens. And another cool feature about it is that it has 3 different colors. So if let me show you, probably can't see it very well, but there's a warm, a medium, and then a really cool, like a daylight color. So the 4000K is the color that we like the most. And I set all these at 4000K. So I'm gonna just push these up into this space, just like that. And then when I get the sheetrock up here, I'll cut a hole, and this is gonna sit up inside the hole like that. So anyway, I'm really excited to make some more progress in the basement. It's coming together. We're trying to get all the sheetrock done before we put in carpet. So our next goal is to get the sheetrock up in this space, and then there's another space upstairs we're actually working on. But yeah, we're really excited to be moving forward. I just wanted to show you these lights because it took me a while to find them, but then I found them, and I'll put a link in the description so you can have access to go buy some of your own if you need them. But it's a perfect solution for a shallow, a place where you don't have a light box. The ceiling is so shallow, you can put them up in that space. Anyway, I'm Justin. Thanks for watching Remodelaholic, and be sure, if you haven't seen the other video of how we, well, not how, but how we are finishing up the basement, go ahead and click up here in the corner, and then stay tuned for the next video, and we'll show you what we've got going on as well. Thanks. See ya. Bye.